I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to adjust brightness now. First, confirm the monitor is on, connected, and showing the expected input. Press the dedicated menu or use the joystick. Press gently, then navigate to picture or brightness. You do this because the OSD houses the native controls that override software sliders. Once the picture menu appears, pause and note current presets. They tell you whether profile settings are forcing brightness limits. Make sure to move step by step so you don't jump past contrast or eco modes that affect brightness. Now, select a preset that matches your purpose. You want accurate baseline behavior. If you choose custom, you can raise brightness slowly, try increments of 5, while checking a white and dark image to keep contrast balanced. Turn off eco or dynamic contrast because they can automatically dim the panel. Disabling them gives consistent manual control. Once done, tweak contrast and backlight separately if available, since backlight controls overall light output, while contrast affects tonal range. This helps you set a visible, comfortable finish by saving your adjustments to a custom profile so you can revert or switch modes quickly. Then test across a bright web page, a dark movie scene, and a photo to make sure detail and color hold up. Adjust slightly for ambient light. More light needs higher brightness, and vice versa. If the brightness control is unresponsive, restart the monitor, try a different cable or input, and update firmware if available. These steps fix stuck OSD or signal-related limits, and they prevent unnecessary hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.